Hey girls and boys, it is Mr. McAndrew, the math coach. Very excited to be with you. Actually, I am like genuinely super excited because I have a fun activity for us to do. Okay, so let's get started. So all you need right now are your cubes. You call them connecting cubes because they can connect. Okay, you have two different colors. Yours are probably not the same colors as mine. That's totally fine. Just take them all out. Okay, you should have 10 of each color and we'll get started, okay? So go get those and I'll wait for you until you get those, all right? And then, so pause the video, stop the video, and then continue it when you're ready to go. Okay, I'll see you in a minute. All right, so here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna put these cubes off to the side right now. And I'm gonna take, you see the spinner here? It's called Even Numbers Spinner. All right, now you'll notice the numbers. Look, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Skip counting by twos. You might recognize those numbers from the doubles facts that we've been doing, okay? So here's how it's gonna work. I'm gonna put my pen in the middle. Oops. And I'm going to hit the paper clip. Whoa, it's going crazy. And it landed on 4, okay? So what we're gonna do is build 2 towers that are equal, that add up to 4. So what do I mean by that? Okay, so it looks like this. So in this case, it would look like this. I'm gonna go 2 and 2 make 4. Okay, so there's 2 towers, right? They're the same size and it adds up to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So in other words, you take 4, and it doesn't have to be 2 different colors if you don't want. You could also just take, what if I just did the green? I took 4 green and I want to make them equal. And I end up with 2 and 2. Okay? All right, so that's what we're going to do. All right, so let's try another one. All right, so I'm going to put my paper clip here, my pen in the middle, and then I'm going to go like, and if you have a paper clip, you're going to be doing this as well. If not, I'll give you other ideas, okay? All right, so here we go. I go bing. Oh, it landed on 4 again. Let's do a different one. And bing. Oh, all right, now it's on 14. Okay, so get 14 cubes. And what I want you to do is make 2 towers that equal 14. So in other words, I'll show you. I get 14 cubes. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, okay, 13, 14. Now I have to make 2 towers that are exactly add up to 14. I have to split these like in half, in other words, in half, okay? So let's see. It doesn't matter what colors you're using at this point. So they're not quite equal. Oh, we're getting closer. Let's put one here and one here. Okay, so what do we end up with? So we started with 14. We ended up with 2 towers that are each how long? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, so that proves that 7 and 7 make 14. Okay? All right, let's do one more together. Then I'm going to show you what your work is. Okay? All right, I'm going to spin it. What are you hoping I land on? You hoping for a 10 or a 16? What are you hoping for? I don't know. Let's find out. You ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, spin. Phew. It's on the line. It's on the line. 8. Okay, it's on 8. Sorry, can you see that? It's closest to 8. All right. So I'm going to get 8 cubes. This is 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so I want you to get 8 cubes, just like I have, and make 2 equal towers right now. So stop the video and do that, and then come back and see if we did the same thing. All right, I'll see you in a minute. All right, did you get what I got? I can't quite tell because they're not lined up. But if I line them up, or even if I stand them up, I can see they're exactly the same height. Okay, and I used all 8, and there's 4 in each tower. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I know that 4 and 4 makes 8. I also know, by the way, that 8, watch this, minus 4, or take away 4, is also 4, right? Fact families. If you know that 4 and 4 makes 8, you also know that 8 take away 4 is 4. Bada bing, bada boom. Okay. All right. Should we do one more together? Why not? Let's just do it. Okay. I mean, when you're having fun, you're having fun. All right. Here we go. I'm going to hit it real hard. Phew. Oh, 6. That's not very exciting. Let's get a bigger one. 12. We haven't done 12, have we? No, we didn't do 12. Okay. Awesome. So get 12 cubes and then break them into 2 equal towers and see what you get. See if we get what I get. Okay? So stop the video, pause it, and then come back when you're ready, when you've done that. All right. Did you get what I got? So I have 2 equal towers. Stand them up, make sure. Yep. Okay. And I used all 12. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And they are 2 equal towers. So how many in each tower? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that means that 6 and 6 makes 12. Or, right, 12 take away 6 gives you 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 take away 6 is 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. And on, okay? So, awesome possum. Let me show you what your independent work is going to look like. It's going to look like this. And it says right on there, Wednesday practice. Okay, it says roll, build, and double. Okay? So you need to get, this is what you'll be doing. And all you need is one of your dice. Okay, and your spinner that looks just like this, like the one that I've been using. Okay, and if you don't have a paper clip, I'll show you what you can do. All right, so get your materials, and then I'll show you what to do. All right, boys and girls, I made a mistake. We all make mistakes. You don't need any dice. We have our spinner. We don't need dice, right? Okay, so for your spinner, all right, you can do it the way I've been doing it, which is you have a paper clip, and a pen or a pencil, you put it right in the middle, okay, and then you just go like that and see where it lands. So it landed on 10, okay? All right, if you don't have a paper clip or anything like that that works, you could use your dice, actually, and you could go like this. You could take one of your dice and just roll it on there and see where it lands. It didn't land anywhere. It landed on the 18, okay? Whoa, this thing's bouncy. It landed on the 20. So don't pay attention to the number, just see where it lands, okay? Oh, that landed on 14, okay? Or you could even just, close your eyes and then just point. I pointed at the 10, right? Close your eyes and point. Oh, that time I landed on 20. Close your eyes and point. And that time I'm on 14. So it doesn't really matter how you do it as long as you get a number, okay? Once you get your number, let's say it was 14, then you go and on your paper, we're going to write down the number 14, okay? Equals, now here you could use your cubes to help you with this, just the same way that we were just doing, okay? But you don't have to. You could also just color it in. So we're going to color up to 14. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We want to go back and forth to make sure they're equal, okay? 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. All right, so we have 14 colored in. And I can see that in each tower there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 14 is the same as 7 plus 7. Okay? And if you like using the cubes to help you with that, then you would get 14 cubes and break them into 2 equal towers, and you would see it looks just like this. And then you color them in, and you have it. Okay, let's do one more. I'm going to do the spinner thing. Okay, here we go. It was on the line. Whoa. Oh, 2. That's too small. Let's do a bigger one. Come on, come on. Oh, come on. On the line, on the line. All right. Oh, 20. Oh, my goodness. 20. That's a huge one. All right, so if it's 20, we're going to write down 20 equals what? Now, if it's 20, we're going to, let's see, we're going to color in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Is it going to be all of them? 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Yes, we colored in all of them. So therefore 20 equals 10 plus 10. Okay? So this is how that works. Again, you don't have to use your cubes for each one, but they're fun and you are more than welcome to do that. There's a few problems on the front, and then there's a few more problems on the next page. And yeah, so you guys are doing great with your doubles. And remember that if you know that 14 equals 7 plus 7, you also know that 14 minus 7, right? If we have 14 and I cover up 7, you still have 7, right? So 14 minus 7 is 7. 14 minus 7 is still 7. It's like math magic. All right, boys and girls, great being with you. I will see you soon. Be good, be kind, be safe, and take care. Okay? All right. Bye-bye.